If you're looking for an affordable shop vac for your home garage, this one will work perfectly. Now this is an all-in-one unit from Giraffe Tools, and we had their pressure washer before. It works well, but I will recommend this for DIY detailers or just wanting to vacuum your vehicle in your home garage. This is a great unit because it hangs right up on the wall and it's an all-in-one unit. So the vacuum is built right into a retractable 30-foot vacuum hose. And it also comes with a bunch of accessories, and it can also be used as a wet-dry vac. It comes with 2 filters that actually fit under here. This will actually come loose, and you have your basket right here that you can empty out. And another really cool feature is that this is remote controlled. So you don't have to go back and forth to your vacuum to turn it on and off. So you can just turn it on and off right inside the vehicle as you're working. Now it does come with a bunch of different accessories as well. So you have a couple of different brush accessories, a couple of extension tools, and you can also vacuum your floors with these tools as well. And it does come with these extensions so that you can also vacuum your floors. So a lot of nice accessories that come with this vacuum. And again, I will recommend this more for DIY detailers or just having a nice shop vac in your garage. As far as long-term usage and durability, I'm not really sure because these are fairly new units within the past couple of years or so. But let's give it a try. Now the vacuum itself is fairly straightforward to attach to your wall, but you do want to have plenty of space. It was a little bit of a challenge to be able to get it into this space, but we were able to manage to get it in there. And you'll see when you open up the box and you see the directions, well, actually there's a little bit of a lack of directions with this unit. It only comes with a large sheet of paper with a template to be able to attach it to the wall. But you can go onto the website and they have plenty of information there to figure out all the other little nuances of this shop vac. But overall, I do think it is a nice vacuum for its price point and for what you get here. The retractable hose itself is really nice and durable. The fact that it is a remote controlled unit is also really nice, but that means that you do have to be careful with getting things wet. I think these are sealed in here, but again, you don't want to be dunking these in water or dropping them in puddles or anything like that. So just be wary of things like that. But even if your remote breaks, you do have the push button here as well. As far as power goes, it does seem pretty powerful as far as a small shop vac goes. This is not going to be like your carpet extractor strength, but it will vacuum your carpets and your seats and your upholstery very well. They are, but the fact that it goes on the inside is a little, no, it shouldn't do that. This should have a narrowing. Is there an adapter? Right. Yeah. Okay, well that's one point I'm gonna have to, because I know people are gonna ask that. So here's one thing that I think Giraffe Tools needs to work on. Their nozzle here does not fit standard shop vac nozzles. For instance, this brush right here is one of my favorite interior carpet and upholstery brushes. Does not fit. What I suggest for Giraffe Tools is to make an adapter. Keep this the same, but make an adapter. In fact, their long nozzles here that they use for the floor vacuum, at the end of that, that's the right size. So if this was just shortened to just a small adapter, that would be perfect. Draft tools, you would need to attach that because many detailers have their favorite tools for detailing the carpets and the upholstery. And again, this isn't professional grade, but if you like these tools and you're a DIY or an enthusiast detailer, well, this isn't going to fit them unless you want to vacuum like this with a long nozzle, you know? And the same goes with your favorite crevice tool. Again, now you have like a 4-foot crevice tool. It's a little ridiculous. It does come with the crevice tool here, but it's not flexible. So, you know, it's okay as far as a crevice tool goes, but if you have your favorite ones, like these, then it's not gonna fit. So that's what I suggest for Giraffe tools to do, is just make an adapter like this, just make it small, and then you'll be golden. That will work perfectly. I don't like the fact that it has the opening here that you have to put the tool inside and it doesn't go over the hose, you know, over the nozzle. So that's just one thing that I noticed that I really wasn't too happy about, unfortunately. But again, you could make your own adapter. You can take PVC and actually shrink it or stretch it out and then it would fit, but that's kind of annoying. I want it to come with it. Hopefully they will add an adapter like that, or maybe you can buy one on their website. So we'll see what Giraffe Tools does. Now, like I mentioned before, we don't have a ton of space here to work with. So instead of building this thing and attaching it and putting all the little tool things on it, which if you have space for, you can do, we're not gonna do that. We have the shelf here and we're just gonna have a basket and put all the attachments in the basket, but it does come with that option to be able to do that.